Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First, we turn off the Logitech G Hub. Don't forget to check the task manager as well. Sometimes, the service of the application that we have closed may continue to run in the background. As you can see, the updater is running in the background. We are closing this. Then we enter settings. After doing this, we click on apps. Among our programs, we find Logitech G Hub. We click on modify. Then we click reinstall G Hub and click reinstall. If we do not want our settings to be deleted here, we click transfer my current settings and click on reinstall. After the installation of Logitech G Hub is finished, we may receive the application encountered a critical problem warning. What we need to do here is to click OK. After doing this, we just need to open Logitech G Hub as administrator. This was our first solution. If the problem is not fixed after following these steps, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to change the startup type of Logitech G Hub. We open Task Manager, then click on Startup. Right click on the Logitech program and click Enable. After doing this, we come to the search section and enter Services. Among the services, we find LG Hub Updater service. As you can see, this service is currently running. For the next step, we need to turn this off. We close the Logitech program. Then we refresh the services page. As you can see, it is closed. Now, we right click on Logitech service and click Properties. Here, we set the startup type to Auto and click Apply. After doing this, we click on our service and click on Start. This was our second solution. Now, you can open Logitech G Hub and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to download the old version of Logitech G Hub. Before doing this, we need to completely delete the Logitech G Hub. We will use Geek Uninstaller for this. I put the download link in the description of the video. You can download from there. After opening our program, we right click on Logitech G Hub and click Uninstall. We can keep our current settings if we want while deleting the Logitech G Hub. If we want our settings to be deleted, we click Save My Current Settings. Then click on Uninstall. We uninstalled Logitech G Hub. Now we can download the old version. Click on the link I put in the description of this video to download the old version. There are two old version links in the description. The reason there are two old version links is because both old versions solve this problem. After click on the link, we click on download. And we are waiting for our file to download. Our file has been downloaded. Now we can start the installation. After finishing the installation process, we enter the settings and we turn off Enable Automatic Updates. If the first older version didn't help you solve the problem, give the second older version a shot as well, because the comments for both old versions are very positive. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.